and we get good fertilizers for our people.
Bad piny owacho mochung' ne jiwo arita mag nam midendo ni Kenya Coast Guard okone sani achiel kuom midhieche mantiere en mar achudhe mag nam midendo ni pirates masani rocho arita e nam ataro ma Indian Ocean. Tend Kenya Coast Guard koni sieko mar achudhe go kalure gi lweny mosebedo kadhi nyime Gaza. Sani ni midhiero to chutho ne thoth meli mating'o mwandu mopogore opogore mabiro go e dho wath ma Mombasa. Bruno Shioso, ma en Director General mar kweth obila go koni wach lupo ma ok opuodhi be en achiel kuom midhieche magitemo rakore go to chutho jolupo mokadho kiewo kaachiel kod mago malupo gigo ma ok owinjore kata kilewa moko opuodhi. Jatelo ne loso Mombasa kama ne gibagiro mo gi jofwamb weche machiwo ler e weche motenore kod arita mag nam kaachiel kod okenge magiketo mar bero chenro mag yuto mawuok ei nam midendo ni blue economy.
For now, what we're now facing is the issue of piracy is kind of now re-emerging. As you are all aware, within the Red Sea, the Gulf of Aden, up to the Western Indian Ocean, where we're bordering or where we are part of. Because of what's happening in Gaza, we've had now resurgence of issues of piracy, and this is now giving us an immediate threat because of our national security. Illegal fishing is a big problem in the open seas over there, and that even informed why we should have a coast guard in the first place. And this is because, one, as a government, we are moving toward the blue economy. And when we talk about the blue economy, one of the key and readily available value chains is about around fishing.
The other thing obvious is that, like you mentioned, the circular of blue economy is a major thing. It's a huge potential for the country. The country has even a whole ministry. Almost all these counties have a ministry for blue economy. That already tells you that there's a huge potential. But how much are we giving that information to the public to understand what is there in the blue economy and what it means? And that's why we have provided this opportunity for you to engage with the experts. We need to see a more in-depth focused reporting on blue economy and circular economy. The DG has promised, God willing, we could organize a sponsored trip for you guys to go in the ocean and see what happens.